A wave of sorrow and outrage has swept through Markham village and surrounding communities after the brutal murder of a local woman who was also allegedly raped in a forested area between Pimla and Markham village under Paran district on April 7, that is yesterday. Speaking on behalf of the Markham Village Council, a representative described the day as one of deep grief and shock. He said the victim, a mother of one and a vegetable vendor, was widely known for her warm-hearted nature. The council urged the authorities to act swiftly and bring the perpetrator to justice. In an update on this case, Commissioner of Police Dimapur Kavitoto Sopi informed the Nagaland Post that a machete, locally known as dao, was recovered around 9:30 am near a fishery, a site suspected to be connected to the crime. However, the commissioner emphasized that official post-mortem results are still pending and that it would be premature to confirm whether the case involves sexual assault. Earlier this morning, a solemn solidarity program was held at the District Hospital Dimapur before the body was transported to Markham village for burial. Civil society organizations CSOs including the Ziliang People's Organization Dimapur, Ziliang Women's Organization Dimapur, Tanimi Union Dimapur, Tanimi Women Organization, Tanimi Youth Organization and the Markham Village Council participated in the event and strongly condemned the crime as brutal and intolerable. Later in the day, representatives of the civil society organizations met with the Commissioner of Police in Dimapur. They demanded the arrest of the accused within 2 days. A representative from the Ziliang People's Organization Dimapur stated that individuals committing such acts have no place in society and urged for the harshest punishment. Meanwhile, a Tanimi Union Dimapur representative stressed that no bail should be granted to the accused and warned that any negative outcome following a bail release would hold the facilitators accountable. Commissioner Kavitoto Sopi assured the public that police are working diligently to uncover the truth and provide justice. He reiterated the department's committed to a thorough and timely investigation and promised to keep the public informed with verified updates. Additionally, according to police personnel, few suspects are in custody for interrogation.